In question 1, part 1, we have to expand 1 plus y to the power 6 in ascending powers of y as far as the term in y squared. So in the first step, we know that the formula for an expansion of 1 plus b to the power n is 1 plus nc1 b power 1 plus nc2 b to the power 2 and so on. So in this question, we have 1 plus y to the power 6. So this will be equals to 1 plus 6c1. This will become y to the power 1 plus 6c2 and y to the power 2. And as we just have to expand till the term in x squared, so we leave it till 6c2 y to the power 2. So 6c1 will become 6. This will become y to the power 1 plus 6c2. If we substitute this in the calculator, that is equals to 15. So that will become 15y squared. In part 2, it says in the expansion of 1 plus px minus 2x squared to the power 6, the coefficient of x squared is 48. We have to find the value of the positive constant p. Now, we have already expanded an expression of the form 1 plus y to the power 6, and the expansion was 1 plus 6y plus 15y squared. Now, in this question, in place of y, it has been replaced with 1 plus, and y has been replaced with px minus 2x squared. So we can replace the y as px minus 2x squared. So this will become 6 into px minus 2x squared plus 15 into px minus 2x squared. And this will become a whole squared. Now expanding this, we'll get 1 plus 6px minus 12x squared plus 15. And expanding this, we'll get p squared x squared. This will become minus 4 into, so this will become px cubed plus 4x to the power 4. Now, as we just need the terms in x squared, as the coefficient of x squared is 48, so we'll take minus 12x squared and plus 15p squared x squared. So we can write this as 15p squared x squared minus 12x squared, and that will be equals to 48x squared. Now, as we just have to compare the coefficients, so taking x squared common, we can write it as x squared into 15p squared minus 12 is equals to 48. X squared and x squared will cancel out. So we'll have 15p squared minus 12 equals to 48. So 15p squared will be equals to 48 plus 12, which is 60. P squared will be equals to 60 upon 15, which is equals to 4. And now taking the square root of 4, that will be plus minus 2. But as we just had to find the value of the positive constant p, so the final value of p will be p equals to positive 2.